Patay ang ate. Patay ang ate.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Selena.
Sumili.
I can't breathe.
Selena.
I can't breathe.
Good morning, everyone. Happy
Sunday.
Sunday. I'm just fixing Ate Paris's
Selena. Look.
crown. Ayan, oh, natanggal, oh. So, today is Tandy's birthday. So, Ate Paris's friend from prep.
Selena.
And invited si Ate Paris sa birthday niya. That's why we're all actually si Ate Paris ay nakapagbihis na. Ayan, she is looking so beautiful. Si mami niyo ay nakapagbihis na rin, guys. And it's just the two of us. Si Daddy Mike tsaka si Baby Celine ay maiiwan dito sa bahay. And they are going to the park naman para makapaglaro din si Baby Celine. So, it's currently 10 o'clock. Mag-start ng ang party ng 10 o'clock hanggang 12. So, okay lang, guys. Kasi alam nyo ba, yung bahay nila,
Mommy?
it's only...
Mommy,
Yes, sweetheart.
is that very strong glue?
Sure is. They're only 2 minutes drive from us. Hindi kami nagmamadali. Nini, girl!
That is Melbourne.
Yeah, I know. It's very strong lang. Oh! Kasi natanggal eh.
My dog Jordan.
Yung team kasi ng party nila is ano, Queen, Princess, ganun. Alaka, is it sticking? Oh, I don't think it's sticking at all. Oh, may klaro nga glue.
It is sticking.
Reckon?
It's just you have to dry it first.
It's not sticking, sweetie girl.
I think you have to.
Okay, itong glue na to, sabi, very, so, may nakalagay pa, super glue. Hindi naman sa inyo?
My picture.
Super glue. Tapos, hindi mag-stick. Ay, ano ba naman klaseng buhay ito eh. Ay, it's working. I think it's working. Oh my God! You look so beautiful, my little princess.
You just
Ang ating baby still maiiwan na naman. Mabilis lang naman kami, guys. Couple of hours. Lini girl! Baby!
My house will eat my other one. My other right stuff.
Did she eat it?
Huh? Yeah. She ate it. You told her she ate it.
Okay. Me, come here. Oh. I love you. I sure don't get the Paris's crown, okay? You can have it later when we come home. It's okay. Don't cry, kiss mama. Kiss mama. I love you. Because Ate Paris needs it for now, okay? You can have it after the party. Is that okay?
Explain because you have it just in the morning.
Yeah.
Sometimes other people have to have it for a turn.
Yeah, see, Ate Paris is just saying she can have a turn because you had it this morning.
And in the afternoon, I will share with you.
See? In the afternoon, Ate will share with you. Yes? Okay. Daddy,
Swing.
you have to go.
At the park, it's more fun.
Yes, that's right.
And I thought
Yeah.
sharing is more fun too.
You're gonna go slide, slide, slide. Slide, slide, slide.
I'm falling. The dress is slippery.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Boom. Boom. Okay, go, Daddy. Alis na kami, guys.
Come, Lady.
So, ito ang pa-outfit ni mami niyo today. So, nakapag ano lang ako, white na bodysuit. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo. Ano siya, yung wide leg na pants. Ayan. Tapos flat shoes. Oh, you okay?
Airplane.
And then just my little bag. Ayan natin. Mas malaki pa sa kanya. Kanyang bit-bit. Ah, there, honey. Oh. Yes.
Here?
Yeah, that would be them.
Yeah. It is mine.
Yeah, it is.
Look.
Okay, yeah.
But see?
I know. It's that.
Baby.
Candy's party. Let's go. We'll knock on the door. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah. Knock, knock, knock. Is it here?
Yeah. This is Fanny's place.
Yeah, I mean, it's only 10,000 people in the island.
So cool.
Is that her name? Hopsy? I'm not sure if they're used all time.
Wow. They're so busy making these crowns. Ito yung team nila, guys. Mga princess. Ganyan. Yeah. This is so cute.
Butler is serving them. Isn't this the sweetest? Has to be the sweetest out of all. It'll take my heart, that's for sure. Oh my God.
The royal butler's going to get you.
That's amazing.
Ready? I want you to just I want you to believe that you can bend it forward. Well, I want to pull it close.
Look, look. Whoa.
Yeah, nearly. So if you rub on it, it actually bends. Watch. It's going to bend in front of your face. Watch.
Even magic!
I know.
Alright, put your hands like this. No, like this together. Look, hands out together. Do magic hands. Yeah! Big round of applause for Sandy!
It's okay, everyone can take a seat. Emily, come over here, Bubby, just stand back a little bit. Everyone take a seat so everyone can see the light.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tandy. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Yay! Oh, they're so cute. Come on.
Actually, which one? Which one? Which one? Only the dolphin that.
Tandy? Yeah. Nakbay, show me what you've got. She's got party bag and everything. Did you have fun?
No.
Oh, yeah. Santa Claus.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's no.
What? See? It's Santa Claus.
No. The Santa Claus has a red hat.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Alright, let's go. We'll walk to our car now.
Be careful. Be careful. I think will fall down on you. Push her back.
Lini! Lini! Ati's not finished yet lang. Ati's not finished yet.
Celine thinks she is.
Come on, take quick tissue. It's her turn.
No!
Sige.
Oi! You two idiots. Oi! Celine's turn now.
See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up, little bunnies! Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop.
Oi!
Hop,
Oi!
little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop and stop. Nung Celine. Patay ang ate. Patay ang ate.
I can't breathe.
Ah,
I can't breathe.
Selena.
Celine.
I can't breathe.
Selena.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Lenny, girl. Ate Sissy can breathe and... Lulululu.
Breathe.
Bata nga ulit tayo.
I can't breathe.
Ate na.
I can't breathe. Ow. Mama.
Yeah.
Ato?
Oh.
I can't breathe.
Lulululu. No, sir. Silin.
Mama.
Eating apple.
Mama.
No, Mama.
Telling lies.
Mama.
Open your mouth.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
A few moments later.
Have you seen a paper that says school disco? Oh, where is it?
Don't know. I've seen it. I've seen it before. What?
Oh, maybe that one that's for Paris's school disco this Friday. Aalis tayo guys. Pupunta tayo ng grocery. And doon tayo pupunta sa, remember last time, nung na-shock yung heart ko kasi meron silang mga Filipino products. So doon tayo pupunta ngayon kasi they are actually open 24/7. Can you believe that? That's the first, well, apart from Kmart, yan yung second shop na open 24/7. So, pupunta tayo ngayon doon. Dadala ko ng mga plastic bags. Kasi, wala silang, benta doon na plastic bags. Normally, di ba, binabalik na lang sa trolley. And, yung buti na yung may mga, plastic bags para isahan na yung pagbitbit ba. Lily girl! Come to mama! Come to mama, Lee! Bear, may dala naman tayong, cash? Bear o bayong? Nakabenta si mami nyo kanina ng, yung... kanina ba? Yeah. Kaninang umaga. So, meron tayong cash pambili ng ating Filipino Filipino food. Diba, anak? Oh, at alam niyo ba guys, kanina, nung nandun kami ni Ate Paris sa birthday party, si Celine tsaka si Daddy Mike ay naiwan dito sa bahay, diba? So, nilabas ni... Look! Tita, dito! Oh! Nilabas si Daddy Mike si baby Celine. Ngayon, nag-text si Daddy Mike sa akin na he effed up. Kasi alam niyo ba, anak ko! Careful! Alam niyo ba, nangyari? Ha? So, Daddy Mike locked himself out. Can't believe it. So, nandun na siya sa baba nung na-realize niya na hindi niya dala ang key ng bahay. So, he had to call locksmith para tulungan siya na i-open yung door kasi wala man akong bit-bit na key kasi iniwan ko ba kumpiyansa naman ako na sa Daddy Mike kasi alam niyo hindi talaga minsan control yung mga pangyayari, diba? So, sino ba talagang gustong mag-iwan ng key sa loob ng bahay? So, hindi ko pa nga natanong kay Daddy Mike kung magkano. For sure, mahal yun. Kasi, Sunday, mahal talaga yung mga services kapag weekend. So, oh my God. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, alam mo ba, sobrang bilis lang daw. Sabi niya, meron lang daw inano sa ilalim ng door. Tapos, na-open na kaagad. So, you know, kung lahat locksmith ba, mapapasukan yung bahay, magbilis, no? Marunong silang maganyan ba? Anyways. Daddy! How much was the locksmith? How much was the locksmith? Sakit na naman ang bibig ko, guys. Ay, meron na naman akong singaw. Ha? How much was the locksmith?
795.
You gotta be kidding me. Bob, no. It's not a joke. You tell me the truth. Bob, don't even think. Tell me the truth.
360.
How much?
360.
Oh my God. Are you sure, Bob? Or you just cut it in half? How much was that, Bob?
81.
Natatakot pa din siya.
Pick one.
Alam niya, magagalit ako, guys.
I'll give you 3 options and you choose.
How much was that, Bob? Just tell me.
85, 240 or 360.
Just tell me, Bob.
Huh?
Just tell me.
220.
Bob, 220 was not in that options you just gave me.
220.
Bob, it's so hard for me to believe you now. Huh?
220.
Promise?
Yes.
Your life?
Yeah. Well, yes. It was approximately 220. I can't remember exact, but it was about 220. It was definitely between 220 and 240. I can't remember the number.
That's not too bad then. Still, be to 220. Tingnan natin. Magkano ba yan sa... Hindi 240 daw. Sus! 8,400. Oh my God. So, yung pag-iwan lang ng kiha dito sa loob ng bahay, 8,400 ka. Diyos ko Lord. But what can you do? Kaya nga nung nag-message siya sa akin na ganun, medyo na-shock ako. Like, seriously, paano muna iwan yung key sa loob ng bahay? And, sabi pa niya sa akin, guys, ano daw, hindi nga daw siya nagalit sa akin nung ang tawag dito, nung crash ko yung, yung salamin na sasakyan, remember, yung side mirror. So, I said, well, we're not talking about that. Kasi, magkaiba rin kami, guys. Ako, nasa-shock ako minsan ba? Kaya naano ako sa kanya, sabi ko, how could you do that? Niya, kasi, sa tingin niya, nung ako yung nagsabi sa kanya na nabasag ko yung side mirror, sabi niya, it's okay, we'll just get it fixed. iba yung reaction namin, kaya inaano niya ako. Anyways, yeah, we'll just have to keep in mind all the time na minsan nga yung mga lessons ba, sabi nila, you learn your lesson, but yeah, these lessons are so expensive, Oh, good Lord. Come on, girls. Ate, have you got your shoes on now? Lainey? Come, Mama. Don't take it off. That's on now. Be, come. We show Tita and Tito your shoes. Oh, gosh, my beautiful girl. Si Mami yung hindi na nagsupply. Oh. Come to Mommy. Hello, everyone. What's your name? What's your name? What's that? Whoa. What is it? What is it? Something else? This one? No. No? This one? Yeah, unicorn.
Holding hands.
No, we need coins for the trolley knock. That's what we're talking about. We're here now. See, open 24 hours. Oh. Kailangan kasi ng $1 or $2 para sa trolley. Open. Just get this thing, Daddy. Oh.
Can I have ice cream?
Huh? Ice cream later after dinner.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Favorite ni Daddy
Mommy,
Michael.
that's what I mean.
Yan na naman ang ating
Mommy,
bawang.
that's what I mean.
Okay, sweetheart.
Is it okay
Oh,
if
Skyflakes.
I try it?
Yeah, of course, sweetheart.
But just make sure to clean my dinner before. What's this?
Dark chocolate.
Eat it.
Yeah. Come on. Where's Daddy? Oh. Bob, you got Celine now. Tingnan niyo si Celine.
Mommy, that's it.
Meron sa shampoo guys sa Sunsilk. $49. $49. We should give this a try.
Yeah.
It's a green one. Clean and fresh. And this one is damaged hair.
Which
We
one
always
you
have something here. Nakasave.
want?
Hala, tingnan niyo. Halang, laki-laki naman ito.
I don't like that smell.
What is
I
it?
don't like that smell.
What smell?
I can smell here.
What?
I smell fruit.
It's the fruit.
Smell now.
Oh, this is chili. Fresh chili. Smell.
Ew.
Oh, sarap nito guys sa ano ba? Dinuguan. Diba? Ito yung kulikot. Ito ba yung kulikot? Smells good.
I smell this. It doesn't smell like
Oranges.
anything.
Mm-hmm.
Smell it. It doesn't smell like anything.
I know. Smells like orange. Ah, gusto niyo siya yung maglagay sa trolley. Sige. Good girl. Another one? Such a good helper, Lini. Okay, let's push the trolley now. Push. Push. Good girl. Oh. Diyan po. Ayan na. Wala kami Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike may dala kay Ate Paris. Ang ito sa akin ay my goodness. Gentle. Okay, here are the drinks. What is that? Hold on. We'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Ayan na ang mga napamili namin, guys. Oh God. Itong bunso talaga, guys. Very naughty. Oh, Ate Paris is sad. Sus, anak, pasalamat kagid gawa ka na ka-ate og sordo na. Buti ang ate yung maintindi.
Ate Paris when I say so, okay?
Hey, buti na lang mabait ate mo, nak. Ambot na lang jud, nak. See, tingnan niyo, ayaw mamigay. Wala. Sharing, please. Yan, namigay. Hala. Wow! Good girl, Lini! Wow, Mama is very proud. Yeah? Sharing is caring, my love.
I mean to love the person that you love.
Yes. Ito yung mga napamili, guys. Napakarami.
You know what? Guys, you know what? We are at the restaurant.
See, isa-isahan pa ba yan? Hindi na siguro, guys. Bumili kami ng tubig doon kasi naubos na kami ng tubig. At alam niyo ba, dito sa Queensland, pag Sunday, 6 o'clock, close na yung shop. Aw, Lily! Come here. I'm very proud of you. Yeah, that's very good sharing. Ay, alam na pala, guys. Alams na. Alams na kung anong gusto niya. What do you say you like, sweetheart? Didi! She doesn't want it. She wants Didi. Oh, kiss na lang, mama, babe. Kiss ba? Lips. Agad!
Mommy, swing kiss like this. Mama.
Come. No, come on. How about we go to bed? We'll do Didi in bed. Come on. We'll go Didi in bed. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Anak, take your shoes off and your jacket, please. Ayan na, hinahatak na ako nito eh.
Nice. Coming up, mommy?